Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be making another one of these purses. So here's the hardware. I have some light sets here, and I have this silicone mold which is a little bit smaller than the purse mold. So I'm going to go ahead and put some lights in here. Keep them flat as possible. Here, hopefully. So my idea is to use this to hold them down once I get the resin in there. Okay, so after a long search, I have found my little magnets here. There we go. So that has to be that way.
Room page, heart loud, room quiet. Every doubt in my head keeps asking me to hide it. Little spark in the corner of my chest. I chase it with a pencil, smear the fear, make a mess. What if this is ugly? What if this is wrong? Then I hear a whisper, just get it down, move on.
So it has been about 5 hours. I had this on the heating mat, and I want to demold these lights, the insert that I made, because I'm gonna probably need to sand it down. I don't know. All right.
Step through it, not the past. I got color on my hands again. Turn my feelings into something I can hold. Every line is just a way to say all the things I never say out loud. If it's awkward, if it's raw, that's the truth of what I saw. I got color on my hands, my friend. That's me learning how to be myself right now. Every scribble, every try is a little louder. I'm alive. Every failure on the floor is a map to something more. Oh, I got color on my hands again. Turn my feelings into something I can hold. Every line is just a way to say all the things I never say out loud. If it's broken, if it's bright, that's the story I will write. I got color on my hands, my friend. That's me learning how to be myself right now.
Okay, so I'm going to try to center this as best as possible.
Mask on, gloves tight, little cups lined up in a row. Pick a shade, pick a shine. Watch the colors race as they flow. Tilt the world on this canvas, let it run where it wants to go. Tiny galaxy on the table, spinning slow, spinning slow. Art is so fun, I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. Heat gun humming like gossip, chasing bubbles right to the side. Little sparkles stuck on my fingers, laughing cause I'm along for the ride. Every streak, every splatter tells a story I didn't plan. From the spill on my sweater to the shine drying on my hand. Art is so fun, I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl, it's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Yeah, I call it mine. I call it mine. Oh yeah. Who said perfect's the point of creation? I'm chasing joy, not chasing the grade. If it runs off the edge of the table, that's just part of the piece I made. Little worlds in a drying corner, proof that play can turn into gold. Every layer a loud confession of all the colors I never told. Art is so fun. Art is so fun. I'm losing track of time. Drip, drop, swirl. It's a state of mind. Pour a little heart, let the mess all shine. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Art is so fun, watch the colors climb. Art is so fun and I call it mine. Hey.
Okay, it's later the same day, and I'm going to go ahead and get this one demolded. Have these little roses that I painted with a metallic copper paint. There were Cinnabar rose beads. So I do want to just put one in the center here. I think that'll look really nice, pretty. Nice embellishment. And let's see, is that stuck? Yeah. Hopefully that'll stay. Put another one on this side, right in the center. This is gonna be stuck a little better, but I could always glue it in there if I want. Basically, you have a full handbag anyway. So once I'm done messing with it, it's gonna stay. So that's how it will look, but I can put some felt in there so that you don't see that. And then to turn it on, all you gotta do is hit these buttons, these 4 buttons. Depending on the color of your dress, if you had a light pink dress, you could choose this side to be facing outward, or if you have a dark red or more of a dark pink dress, you could choose that side, or whichever side you actually like better. So, and the tops and sides are pretty much the same. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'm gonna put some pictures at the end here of the final piece. These are nice and glued on there, so I don't think that's going anywhere. And I appreciate you being here. Hope you all have a great day.